Hello guys, welcome once again. We are going to study about the preposition. Preposition is very important for us all guys, as you all know. Okay, so there are many prepositions. For example, in, on, into, over, among, beside. Besides, you have to be very careful. So I have brought a good chain of preposition. It is a part of a speech, guys. Well, okay, only you have to do that. Just do not skip the video and watch my full video, guys. Okay, preposition, I have mentioned it here, and I will take you in a very simple way. Okay, now prepositions are words that show us the position of noun. They tell us where people, object or things are. For example, where is your teacher? What are you doing? Okay, my teacher is in front of, see that? In front of me. Where is your mobile? My mobile is in my hand. Okay? Next, prepositions are words that show us the direction of movement. Okay? Prepositions are words that tell us about time. We can know when something happened or will happen by the preposition used. Okay, when the preposition used. So come guys, let's get started. Before starting the video guys, I would like to request you all, please press the bell icon over here and subscribe my channel. Come, let's get started. Come guys, now some prepositions are used with time expression. For time expression, for example, I have given you here in this chat preposition of time. Preposition of time, and few examples has been given here for you. Okay, first is here on. Okay, there are two examples of on here. Many shops don't open on Sundays. Many shops don't open on Sundays. Okay, next example. What did you do on Saturday? What did you do on Saturday? Okay, next is in. I visited my aunt and uncle in vacation. Okay, I visited my aunt and uncle in vacation. When did you go to visit your uncle? You went to visit your uncle in vacation or in summer vacation. Next, I like to exercise in the afternoon. When do you like to do your exercise? I like to do exercise in the afternoon. Okay, next is at. Next example of preposition of time is at. Okay, it gets warm at night. It gets warm at night. Well guys, next example of at is the library class is at. Okay, the library class is at 2:30 p.m. this afternoon. Okay, see guys. Okay, these are few examples of preposition of time. Once again guys, in, on, at, preposition of time. Examples has been given here. Many shops don't open on Sundays. Okay, next is what did you do on Saturday? Okay, now with in. Examples of preposition of time. I visited my aunt and uncle in vacation. Okay, next, I like to exercise in the afternoon. When do you like to exercise? You like to exercise in afternoon. Next, at. It gets warm at night. It gets warm at night. Okay, the library class is at 2:30 p.m. When is the library class? It is at 2:30. Okay, 2:30 this afternoon. You have to be very careful while you using preposition. Preposition is very important guys. Okay, well now come, let's go few more examples. Well guys, these are few more examples guys. Okay, preposition of time. Examples has been given here. Since. Okay, since England have not won the World Cup in football since 1966. Well guys, next, for. F1 for. I am going for a walk for an hour. Okay, I am going for a walk. Where are you going? You are going for a walk for an hour. Because we are talking about the preposition of time. Always remember past. Next is past. We will go shopping at 5:30. 5:30. So past is my preposition of time. Next, two. Next question is two. It's only 2 weeks to our summer vacation. Okay, it's only 2 weeks to our summer vacation. Well guys, once again, since. Okay, since England have not won the World Cup in football since 1966. So since is my preposition of time. Preposition of time. Next is for. I am going for a walk for an hour. Okay, I am going for a walk for an hour. So for is my preposition of time. Okay, next is past. Next is past. We will go shopping at 5:30 or 6:30. So past whenever you use, whenever if you are using, so remember that you are talking about the preposition of time. Next is two. Next is two. It's only 2 weeks to our summer vacation. So two is my preposition of time. Okay, now come to the next guys. Okay, preposition of time from. Okay, the museum is open from 9:30 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. every day. Okay, so from is my preposition of time. That means we are talking about the preposition of time. Next, till or until. We waited till or until. Okay, until 6:30 for you. Okay. Next, by. Dad said he had be back by 5 o'clock. So by is my preposition of time. Always remember guys, whenever you use the preposition, you have to be very careful guys. I'm going to bring more preposition for you. Carry on watching my video guys. Okay, hope that you all enjoyed a lot. But least I would like to request you all to please do not forget to press the bell icon there and subscribe my channel. And carry on waiting. Please wait for my next preposition. I'm going to bring a best series of preposition guys. Thank you very much. Have a good day.